हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं अर्थमेटिकल प्रोग्रेशन की लास्ट एक्सरसाइज, ऑप्शनल एक्सरसाइज 5.4। इस एक्सरसाइज में हमेशा नीचे क्या लिखा होता है? दीज एक्सरसाइजेज आर नॉट इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर एग्जामिनेशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू। उसके नॉट को हटा देना और क्या लिख देना? वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर द एग्जामिनेशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू। क्यों? क्योंकि इस एक्सरसाइज के 5 क्वेश्चन में से मोस्टली सारे के सारे क्वेश्चन कभी ना कभी सीबीएसई के एग्जाम में आ चुके हैं। तो फिर हम क्यों नहीं करें इस एक्सरसाइज को? करेंगे ना? यस। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, ये सीरीज अगर चल रही है तो इसका फर्स्ट नेगेटिव टर्म कौन सी होगी? यानी 0 के बाद -1, -2, -3 ऐसे कब स्टार्ट हो जाएगा? वी वांट टू कैलकुलेट दैट प्लेस। इट मींस वी नीड an लेस देन 0। सो an मींस a plus n minus 1 into d. d is -4 and we want it should be less than 0. Solve it. 121 minus 4n plus 4 less than 0. Minus 4n less than minus 125. अब एक important rule होता है. Whenever you multiply by minus in any inequality, the sign of inequality reverse. It means 4n greater than 125, क्योंकि मैंने दोनों तरफ से क्या किया? -1 से डिवाइड किया। क्यों होता है ऐसा? देखो, -3 छोटा है -1 से, ठीक है? मैं दोनों तरफ माइनस मल्टीप्लाई करता हूं, देखना क्या होता है। अब किधर लगेगा? चेंज हो गया ना? यस। सो ये है छोटी सी बात मगर बहुत काम की है। सो 4n, सो n ग्रेटर देन 125/4, n ग्रेटर देन 4 3 12 4 1.25, 31.25 तो n होता नहीं है। इट मीन्स n जस्ट that is 32. So 32nd term will be the first negative term in this sequence. Correct? Second sum. Third sum and seventh sum total is 6. Let we assume first term A, common difference D. That means third term is nothing but this one. And seventh term is this one. It is given 6. So what is the first equation? 2a plus 8d 6. That is a plus 4d is 3. Suppose it is equation number 1. Second point, product of these two. इन दोनों का product a plus 2d into a plus 6d. It is given 8. a plus 4d is 3. It means we can remove this a. Eliminate the value of a from first to second. What is a? 3 minus 4d. Very simple. Again here a 3 minus 4d equals to 8. Now 3 minus 2d and it is 3 plus 2d equals to 8. Very simple calculation. 9 minus 4d square. Why? Because a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. It means 1 equals to 4d square. It means d square equals to 1/4. It means d equals to plus minus half. When d plus minus half, we can calculate a. So a equals to 3 minus 4. First we apply plus half. That is 3 minus 2, 1. And second time apply minus half. 3 minus 4 into minus half. It is 3 plus 2, that is 5. So we have two values of a. First is a1, second is a5. First is d half, second is minus half. Hence the sequence will be, you can write the sequence very easily using this a and d. So first we use a1 with d plus half. 1.5, 2, 2.5 and so on is the first answer. Second, use a5 and d minus half. 4.5, 4, 3.5 and so on. These are the two sequences. Correct? Third, very simple but daily life related. A ladder of 250 centimeter in height and the rungs जो अपन steps चढ़ते हैं, and the rungs of the length 45, then one more, then one more, then one more, then the last is the length of 25 centimeter. How many rungs? We don't know. But you know that the gap between the two rungs is 25 centimeter. And total height of the ladder is 250 with the gap of 25 each. It means we have total rungs 10. So we want to calculate the sum. You know the last term and the first term and number of terms, that is 10. How we calculate when you know the first term, when you know the last term, when you know the n? Formula number 1, n by 2 first plus last. This is S. So what is n by 2 and what is first plus last? Very simple. So 10 by 2 into 70, that is nothing but 350 meters, 350 centimeters is the total length of the wood required for these 10 rungs. Easy? Now the next sum number 4, very important, is from the board paper. Very interesting question actually. We have in a colony the house is numbered from 1 to 49. First house number 1 and last house number 49. Question is, select a house number X such that the total before that and total of numbers after X will be the same. We want to add 1 to X minus 1 total and the next from X plus 1 to 49 total. X हाउस नंबर से पहले तक का टोटल और X हाउस नंबर से बाद वाले हाउसेस के टोटल का नंबर will be the same. What is the value of this X? We want to calculate. Very interesting and a very good question. No doubt. So first the sum of these two, you know, 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to X minus 1 is not a big task. You know, number of terms and first plus last. Very easily you will say that total number of houses is nothing but X by 2 and X minus 1. No problem. But how we calculate the total of this block? It is not possible because you know the first term, you know the last term, but how many terms are there we don't know. So the method is, first we calculate the total of 49. Yes. Then subtract total of 2x. So that already x plus 1. मेरे पास ये पेन यहाँ से यहाँ तक है, ये पूरे का मैंने टोटल कर लिया, उसमें से यहाँ तक का रेड पॉइंट तक का मैंने टोटल माइनस कर दिया, इसका मतलब रेड पॉइंट से आगे का टोटल आ गया, बस यही तो चाहिए. सो 1 to 49 टोटल you know 49 by 2 first plus last. This is the complete sequence. Minus total up to x. Very simple. Yes or no? X तक का टोटल. So x by 2 terms 1 plus x, 49 by 2 1 plus 49. So this value is right side block and this value is the left side block. Now what the question says, 1 and 2 are same. Question ho gaya. So now we have to simplify algebraically and you will get the answer. So now we have to solve. X by 2, x minus 1 is same as 49 by 2, 50 minus x by 2, x plus 1. This we want to solve for x. Now the calculation work is very simple. X by 2, x minus 1. This will come to this side. X by 2, x plus 1 equals to 49 into 25. X by 2 is common. Algebra में वही है, जितना अच्छा है common लो तो easy होता है हमारे लिए. 1 and 1 cancel out. X by 2 into 2x, that is x square, and it is this side 49 into 25. 49 into 25. Don't multiply. See my shortcut. Now tell me, I want to take under root. तो मैं multiply क्यों करूँ? X equals to root of 49 into 25, and everybody knows this thing. X equals to 35. 35 नंबर का मकान ऐसा होगा. कैसा होगा? इसके पहले तक के सारे मकानों का नंबर का टोटल 36 से लेके 49 तक के मकानों का टोटल सेम होगा. करके देखना अपनी कॉलोनी में भी. यस? ओके. So this is a previous year's board question. Very interesting. Now, one more interesting question based on civil engineering. You know civil engineering? मकान बनाना, बिल्डिंग बनाना, डैम्स बनाना, civil engineering. Question is, we have the steps like this. ये steps ऐसे चढ़ती जा रही है. Question is, a small terrace at a football ground comprises of 15 steps. ऐसे 15 steps. दिख रहा है? 15 steps. Each of which is 50 meter long. This length is 50 meter. And built of a solid concrete. Each step has a rise of 1 by 4 meter. This is said to be rise. 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4. Rise 1 by 4. And tread of half meter. Tread मतलब जो अपन shoes अपन जो रखते हैं इसके ऊपर, ये shoes जो अपन रखते हैं, ये कहलाता है tread. तो tread कितना दिया है? हाफ मीटर. हाफ मीटर, हाफ मीटर, हाफ मीटर एंड सो ऑन. और हाइट कितनी दी है? 1/4, 1/4, 1/4. अब बताओ, फर्स्ट जो स्टेप है अप टू दिस, ये फर्स्ट स्टेप का वॉल्यूम क्या होगा? 50, 1/4 हाइट एंड हाफ इज द ब्रेड्थ. So half into 1/4 into 50 is the concrete required for this first step. For second step, 50 remains same, this 50 remains same, this half remains same, but this height is now 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, correct? That is half. For the third step, this will remain 50, tread remain half, and height this time 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4. So every time we are increasing by 1/4. Now tell me, what will be the volume of the first stair? Is 50 length, tread half, and height 1/4 is the first step. Second step, L remains same, half remains same, but height is now increased by 1/4. That is, it will be now half. The next one, 50 into half remains same and height is again increased by 1/4. These are 15 terms, 15 steps. Now what is common? First take common, 50 into half common. The sequence is 1/4, 1/2, 3/4 and so on, n equals to up to 15. Now it is nothing, simple AP. This is 25. And how to solve this AP? Sum of n terms, n means 15 terms. So answer is n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d is 1/4. Correct? So answer is 25. 15 by 2. Inside it is half. It is 14 by, that is 7 by 2. So finally 25 into 15 by 2 into, inside it is 8 by 2, that is 4. Calculate, it will become 2. So answer 50 into 15, that is 750 meter cube will be the total concrete required to complete this 15 steps in a football ground. Easy? So in this way we have completed all the questions of NCERT book exercise. Now we are taking some problems from CBSE board papers. First is term number 6 is 0. And you want to prove that 21st term is thrice of 11th term. 6th term is 0. It means a plus 5d is 0 when a is the first term, d is the common difference. So a means minus 5d is the first point. We want to prove 21st term is thrice of 11th term. It means we have to calculate 11th term. 11th term is a plus 10d. It means a means minus 5d. That is only 5d is 11th term. This is equation number 2. Next is 21st term. 21st term means a plus 20d, but a is already 5d. That is 15d. Equation number 3. Now tell me, what is the relation between 2 and 3? 21st term is thrice of 11th term. So here we write 21st term is thrice of 11th term. Hence proved. Easy? These type of questions where concept is the same but you have to apply some different type of knowledge. Next is 9, 12, 15, 18. Find the term 39 more than 36 term. 39 more. Gap of 3. So 39 will be getting 13 terms. 39 कितने टर्म्स को पकड़ लेगा? बिकॉज द गैप इज 3, इट विल टेक 13 मोर टर्म्स, बट वी वांट 36 टर्म प्लस 13, दैट इज 49th term will be 39 more than 36 term is the shortcut. Long method पहले बता चुका हूँ. First you have to calculate 36 term, then you have to add 39 in it, and then find out n. Very lengthy, but the shortcut method is this: the gap divided by the extra things, 13 more terms, answer. Next is a good question. Sum of 3 terms. Listen, very important concept. Whenever 3 terms are there, always assume a minus d first term, a second term, and a plus b d third term. This is for 3 terms. Note down, it is for 3 terms. For 4 terms, remove this a minus d, a plus d, a plus 3d, and a minus 3d. This is for 4 terms. And for the same, a minus 2d, a minus d, a plus d, and a plus 2d for 5 terms. This is just like a general formula. Whenever the terms 3, 4, 5 given to you, we have to assume in this way only, no other way. Otherwise, it will become very lengthy. For example, in this sum, we need 3 terms. 3 terms means always assume a minus d, a, and a plus d. Now, what the question says? Sum of these 3 terms is 21. So, sum of 3 terms is 21. D and D cancel out. 3a 21, a equals to 7. इसलिए अपने को a जल्दी मिल जाता है. Now when a is 7, what they say? Product is 231. So product of these 3, you know, a square minus d square, product of first and third, and into a, it is given 231. क्यों? क्योंकि a minus d into a plus d तो ये हो गया, और a ऐसा कैसा. अब a हम निकाल चुके हैं 7, तो बहुत ही आसान, 231. 7 से ये कट रहा है, 7 3 21, 7 3 21. So 49 minus 33 is d square. So d square equals to 9 minus 3, 6, 16. Hence d equal to plus minus 4. When you know a, when you know d, we can form the numbers. What are the numbers? Now substitute here and get the result. So d plus minus 4. First, a कितना आया था? 7, 4, 7, and what are the numbers? 3, 7, and 11. Now reverse. Put minus 4. 7 minus of minus 4, 7, 7 of what we are getting? 11, 7, or 3. So either you say 11, 7, 3 are the answer, or you say 3, 7, 11. चेक करना है तो सम करके देखिए, प्रोडक्ट करके देखिए, you will get the same thing. So in this way we have completed the topic arithmetical progression. Now is up to you. आप कितनी मेहनत कर सकते हैं. मैथमेटिक्स में मेहनत का कोई मुकाबला नहीं. जितनी मेहनत करेंगे उतने प्रोपोर्शनली मार्क्स आएंगे. सो डू योर बेस्ट. अच्छे से अच्छा पढ़ते रहें और आगे बढ़ते रहें. टेक केयर. गुड बाय.